Hello. So, some very disturbing statistics came out just the previous week. The Statistician General in South Africa released the employment, or should I say unemployment statistics, where actually it was revealed that unemployment has increased. About 8.2 million South Africans are unemployed. And this is growing. Just the other day, on the very same week, actually, the previous week, I was listening to the radio, SAFM. Ashraf Gada was talking to Dr. Casey Chambers. Now, Dr. Casey Chambers came with a revelation that is also staggering. She said 52% of the people that are already in a workplace are facing depression and anxiety. Now think about that just a little bit. Does it sink in you that 52% of people, I'm not talking about people who are not employed. I'm talking about people who are employed but are unhappy doing what they do, the 9 to 5. The reason why there is so much of a percentage of people that are working but stressed out is because these piece by piece types of salaries are actually channeled to go feed a lot of mouths. So what I'm saying is that the people that are actually working are not happy that they are working because they never enjoy their salary. When they go back home, there is so many mouths to feed because of the staggering rate of unemployment in our country. And here, I'm just here to say that there is an avenue. Stop waiting on your scoundrel politicians to actually give you employment, because politicians have actually proved themselves to care less. And every time the election is around the corner, that is when you will see them come around and you will hear them promising you employment. There's one mistake that you make the most, is wait on them to truly create this employment. It's never going to happen. What I'm trying to say, the internet is the world's #1 employer. This is what I believe. It's a personal opinion, but the internet is the world's #1 employer. And through the internet, I believe that we can find lucrative means through which we can actually monetize the internet. I still repeat, I'm not talking about getting rich overnight, and I'm not talking about making money so much that you just touch one button and then it falls from the sky. It's never going to happen like that. The internet can help you. You need to pay your child's transport. You need to feed yourself here and there. You need to buy the little things that you need to buy. The internet can help you make those. And in the long run, only when you're just a beginner, you can be able to do those little things. But in the long run, as the time goes by, you will eventually be able to say, you know what, boss, bye-bye, peace. Or even eventually employ your boss. Who knows? Nobody knows. Because the field of affiliate marketing is so small in our country at this moment, but it is big out there in the world. And the trends that are coming this way are the same trends that have been coming. When other countries get the things first, then we follow after. And I can assure you that affiliate marketing is going to hit our shores. And when it hits our shores, we have to be there ready. So I'm positioning you. I am saying, let us do affiliate marketing. Come see what the internet can do for you instead of waiting on your scoundrel politicians. We have an unemployment rate that is scary. And we have a lot of people who are unemployed who are earning $370 every month from the government. They're getting it for free. And I'm saying that $7 is all you need to be part of the OLSP system. And you still have change in your 370. I mean, I can imagine, I can tell, I know myself how much the guys that I know are spending just on alcohol. Just on alcohol. But these people are going to wait for another 27 days to be able to get something from the government again. I mean, we can put that to a stop. I want to introduce you to the OLSP system. And the OLSP system is actually a great business. You have to believe in the OLSP system. You have to believe in yourself. Even if you've never made any cent in the internet before, you don't have to be tech savvy. You don't have to have a website. You don't have to understand the depths of online language. But just with the little knowledge that Wayne Crowe is going to give you, you are going to be able to take yourself from the bottom to the top, just doing affiliate marketing. So I just want to say, let's do this thing together. I'm inviting ones and ones. I'm saying, come, let's do this thing together. Let's try and see what the internet can do for us, because I can assure you there's wonders in the internet. It's just that a lot of people are not aware of. A lot of people are not aware of because they don't even bother checking. Why they don't bother checking? Because they think that, okay, the internet is a very shady territory. It's actually a territory they don't want to venture through. So it's for the brave. If you're brave, come with me. Let's do it.